welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this, which is some a wet and dry vacuum cleaner from B&Q's. Now I got this to use as pretty much a work vac. Now I don't know if you will remember, but I did have a Parkside PNTS 1300 E4 which I bought this year in February, and at the day of recording this video it blew up yesterday, which was a Saturday. I was using it to dry hose. It started to smell a bit funky, and then yeah, loads of smoke came out of the side of it. So I stripped it down. The coils in the armature had decided they wanted to blow themselves up, so that went into the bin, and I went and bought this. Well, I didn't go and buy it personally. I've been out all day on my bike, and my dad went and picked this up for me, so that's very nice of him. So we'll unbox this. Now this was 30 quid, cheap machine really. All I really want it for is to use it for the blower and maybe occasional odd jobs where I need a hoover, but I mainly got pneumatics for that. So anyways, opening box, the first thing we have in here is the most shortest little hose ever. Literally it's probably like a metre long. I think the tools on this are 32mm as well, which is handy. But yeah, that hose is absolutely tiny. What else do we have? We have the wet and dry pickup tool in here, which is pretty good actually. So it actually looks like a pneumatic style one. Brushes on the front and squeegee on the back. Now that actually works alright. The Parkside had that kind of set up and it worked fine actually. I only ever used the Parkside once for wet, and that was sucking water off my decking in the garden, and then my dad used it. He took it to work because someone was borrowing his Titan at the time. But you know, here we have two plastic extension wands, which I mean, yeah, very short, but it's what you get for 30 quid, literally that. I don't think there's another one in here. So yeah, we've got two little plastic ones. I'll probably swap them out for some nice metal ones actually. The hose can be sorted as well. So yeah, let's pull the machine out of the box. There's the machine. I've also got a set of instructions in here, which no one reads instructions nowadays, and you don't really need it with this very simple machine. So anyway, it's quite small. It's got a blower port on the back, which is exactly what I want it for. So I can dry vacs when they're getting refurbished. Little tiny cable, which looks alright. 1200 watt, 15 litre, made in China. Nice little on-off switch on the top there. And yeah, it generally looks pretty good for 30 quid. So we'll take the top off. In here we have the little foam filter, which houses the ball floating there. Now this is quite a good thing. It actually has a big cloth filter, like a Henry type thing in there, which is good. It doesn't take bags, I don't think, but you know, this looks like it swivels off as well, but I'm not too sure. Yeah, that comes off, and yeah, you can put bags in it, which is cool. So yeah, I think that's just to stop the screws getting nasty. But yeah, you can probably put HEPA or something in there, which I probably will do. Got 4 wheels and one of these stupid crevice tools, which is going straight in the box and never getting used. I'll probably just put Henry tools on this actually. But yeah, the wheels just push into the base of it, like so. That's it. Right, like that. And yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, I'm pretty impressed for 30 quid for this. And that goes on there. It's when you want to use it to wet. Unless you have to use that cloth filter, but I'm not too sure. We'll have a look anyway. We'll just check the instructions. I said no one uses instructions, but I'm checking the instructions because why not? But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with this. I mean, it feels better than the other one actually, the Parkside. I'm trying to. It's just loads of bullet points in here, really. Trying to find out if they if you use it with the filter. I've got the other filters out the Parkside in the shed as well, actually, which I could probably put in this. But you know, just trying to find. Well, it says you can use bags, which pretty much HEPA flows actually, which is alright. Yeah, it doesn't say in there, so that's going in the box, and the box is going to go into the loft, so we don't need that. But yeah, the big filter thing is pretty good actually. Yeah, it's quite smart and better than a lot of vacuums you can get for 30 quid actually as well. A lot of them are Titans. Well, even Titans though, they're not £30 anymore. Hose locks in as well, that's good. And the tubes are stupidly short. Literally, that is so short. Bloody hell. Meant for children. But yeah, I might even chuck them tubes in the box. Use it without them. But anyway, let's turn it on and we'll see how loud it is. Yeah. I've read the reviews. Reviews were good, but it just said it was loud. Alright, so plug it in and see if it's going to be like an old Aquavac. Yeah, that is really loud. That is very loud actually, but for what I'm going to use it for, it should be fine. It's got a big dent in the canister already. Does that lock in? Does it? I don't think it does. Oh well. Yeah, quite cool. It should go on the shelves in the shed as well, instead of having to chuck it underneath my my bench with my my big pneumatic. But yeah, it's not got really much table storage. It's got a little hook on the back which could really be quite useless, if I'm honest. But yeah, it's alright, and it'll be fine for what I need it for. But yeah, that goes on the back like that. Yeah, it doesn't go on the back very well. It's meant to go on there with the floor tool, but it's a bit cracked really. Oh well. But yeah, the tools will go, supposedly go on there. But yeah, it's alright. 30 quid. So yeah, there we go. There is the B&Q's own brand wet and dry vac. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.